got now.
Yeah, these sick tacks that we were putting down, welds.
Gnarly boogers on here. Gotta get one of the clean ones. None of them are clean, never mind.
The clean one?
That one.
Oh.
Wow, the one great one.
That resembles a well.
Just copy and paste that one every single spot. Still on fire.
Got a good update here. It's got all the front pieces cut out, ready to mount the suspension, figure out our ride height. Started on the rear pieces and build a box right here. And then we're tying in for the door bars. What do you think, Al?
I love it. It's gonna be a sick unit.
That's about our wheelbase, not widthwise, but lengthwise. Right there, and got everything mocked up in it. That was my squatting down noise. Now it's recording.
Oh, baby.
What do we got now?
Yeah, these sick tacks that we were putting down, welds.
Gnarly boogers on here. Gotta get one of the clean ones. None of them are clean, never mind.
The clean one?
That one.
Oh.
Wow, the one great one.
That resembles a well.
Just copy and paste that one every single spot.
Yep, that's right. Units.
How close his face is.
That's right. Alright. We got the front end tacked up. We still got to put the crossbars in, but the front end is finish welded. Now we're moving on to tacking the back side, which is gonna be about the same thing as up there. Then this will get finish welded today, and hopefully we'll tie everything together and at least have the door bars cut. And maybe we'll get to mounting the engine today. Yep.
Yeah, our first attempt at the build is going well.
Oh yeah.
About welding?
What?
Said, what about a welding?
It's not about our welding, it's about our angling. The welding's fine.
It'll be
I
fine.
don't care what anybody says, I like the welding.
90 degrees in a smooch.
It's like that.
Peak ingenuity.
What? Is it straight?
No.
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 Not even slightly.
Just hold it straight up.
It's like that. Oh god.
Nice and short.
Oh, yeah, she's good. She's nice and
Oh,
smooth.
nice and smooth.
Relax.
Almost like they were never welded.
That's right, huh? Look all right?
Hell yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Might be a little much, but it's...
You bowed in a little bit. Oh no, it's not even bad.
That's
oh,
just
no,
so we
there's,
can get
there's
that
still a
bar
hump
in
right
there.
there. There's still a hump right there where the weld is. That's fine. Perfect.
Hell yeah. Weld that before it moves. That looks good, doesn't it? Look at it getting down there.
He would have went, poof, I didn't know it all fell over. Damn it! Oh, fuck. Heads up. Yep, she's on. She's got that left curve in her, you know? That's how you know she's good. There's Mitch, dude. Look at the identical pickups coming down the
Oh,
road.
mine's 10 times better.
Oh yeah. Turbos?
Oh, yeah.
No turbos.
They are identical.
Wow.
Literally the same pickup.
Mountain bike.
He's got a mountain bike.
I should get some videos of him weld.
Oh, I'll close my eyes and do it.
That's right. You just go.
Oh, I don't want to
Completely missed.
Yeah. He's shooting over here.
miss. Yours.
Oh.
There.
Talk to him.
I don't know how to talk. This is Mitchell's unit. Star. We drink Monster, but it's cool. It's all the same. There's Owen's new unit. He just bought it. Other mini bike. UW's. Those are the units over there. Mitch's sweet bike that he's super good on, you know, because he's good on every unit he has.
40 and a 190. There we go. Beast
Oh wait,
Man
is it
here.
on time lapse?
I don't know. How do you check that stuff out? Beastman here. Little updates. Will's over there working on some front end unit stuff, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna bend this to our U-clamps. Something like that. Make it so we can get our A-arms nice and on there.
That's not the right
With
one.
not that one. But
Quit cussing, Harley. Damn it.
yeah. So a little,
That should be all right.
yeah, nice and structural, hopefully.
We'll just put some spacers in there, some bushings in there
Yeah.
if it's too big.
And the bolt will squeeze it down. Yeah.
We'll squeeze this metal.
Oh, I'll get it.
This metal will squeeze the
Here's that box. There's this box halfway done. Gotta put bars here. Calling her good, but that's basically it. About to get the front freaking suspension all put together without the shocks on there. Hell yeah. Heck yeah, I meant. What do you got to say, boys?
Hell yeah. Coming together.
Right now.